Issues starting your heater may be caused by a faulty igniter. This testing process can apply to Master and Remington Kerosene forced air, oil-fired radiant, gas forced air, and silent drive radiant heaters. Please read the owner's manual and all warnings prior to performing any maintenance on your heater. Do not use power tools to complete any step of this process to decrease the chance of damaging your heater. Before you start, make sure the heater is off and cool. Begin by turning the unit on. A continuous clicking sound should be heard. If not, turn the heater off. Remove the screws from the control panel cover. Locate the igniter on the diagram on the inside of the cover or in the unit manual. Remove the connector for the igniter on the power control board. Turn on the power switch and use a multimeter on the leads to measure the output voltage from the control board. If 120 volts is observed on the meter, then the igniter is defective. If the meter reads 0 volts, the control board is defective. After testing, replace the control cover and fasten the screws. For more information or assistance on your product, contact our customer care department at 1-800-641-6996 or visit us at pinnacleclimate.com.